If you've been on the lookout for a dash cam that combines high-quality recording with user-friendly features, the REDTIGER F7NP might just be the one for you. This dual-camera setup promises to provide crystal-clear video at 4K in the front and 1080p in the rear, making it a solid contender in a crowded market. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The REDTIGER F7NP is designed to keep you covered from every angle. With 4K recording at the front and 1080p resolution at the rear, this dual-camera system captures all the details. Think road signs, vehicle number plates, and unexpected incidents with stunning clarity. The 170-degree wide-angle front lens and 140-degree rear lens help eliminate blind spots, ensuring you have a full view of what's happening around you, especially during a collision. On top of that, the night vision performance is excellent. Thanks to an f1.5 aperture lens with 6 layers and HDR/WDR technology, you'll be able to capture essential details even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving late at night or in a poorly lit area, this dash cam ensures that you're never left in the dark. The Wi-Fi functionality is one of the key selling points here. By connecting the dash cam to your smartphone via the REDTIGER app, you can view, playback, and even manage your footage from both iOS and Android devices. Editing and sharing your recordings is also a breeze, giving you the ability to quickly share your scenic drives or any crucial footage with friends and family. Another notable feature is the built-in GPS. Not only does it record your driving route, but it also logs real-time speed and location. This can be a lifesaver in case of an accident, as you can later track your movements using Google Maps or the included GPS player software for Windows and Mac. It's an added layer of evidence that could prove invaluable in a dispute. When it comes to reliability, the F7NP doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its loop recording, the dash cam will continue recording even if the memory card becomes full, ensuring you don't miss anything. Plus, the G-sensor feature automatically locks and saves footage in the event of a collision. For those concerned about parking lot incidents, the 24-hour parking monitor ensures continuous surveillance when your vehicle is stationary, as long as you use the optional hardwire kit. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: dual camera setup with 4K front and 1080p rear recording for maximum coverage. Excellent night vision with HDR/WDR tech, making low-light recordings clear and detailed. Wi-Fi functionality for easy access to footage and simple sharing via the app. Built-in GPS for tracking location, speed, and routes. Reliable accident recording with loop recording, G-sensor lock, and 24-hour parking mode. Cons: the need for a hardwire kit to enable 24-hour parking mode might be a bit of a hassle for some. No mention of a memory card upgrade option, which could limit storage for some users. As for the build quality, REDTIGER has ensured the F7NP is made with durable materials that are designed to withstand the test of time. While long-term durability specifics are limited, the solid construction and positive feedback from trusted sources give us confidence in its longevity. Now, a quick comparison with other dash cams in this category. When compared to competitors like the Garmin Dashcam 66W or the Vantrue N2 Pro, the REDTIGER F7NP stands out with its superior 4K recording and the extra rear camera. However, while those other models may be easier to install, the F7NP offers more advanced features, especially with its GPS functionality. So who is this product best for? If you're someone who needs comprehensive coverage on the road, whether for commuting, road trips, or just peace of mind, this dash cam will likely meet all your needs. It's perfect for drivers who want high-quality footage, easy access to data, and advanced features like GPS tracking. In conclusion, the REDTIGER F7NP is a strong option for those looking for a dual dash cam that balances quality, convenience, and safety features. It's especially well-suited for those who prioritize accident documentation, reliable night vision, and GPS tracking. If you're someone who frequently parks in high-traffic areas or just wants to have the peace of mind that comes with continuous surveillance, this dash cam won't disappoint. If you're finding this review helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest and greatest in auto tech, hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it autovated. Drive smart, stay safe.